Before moving on, let's review the simple if-then statement. We'll select sheet 2 of our workbook, and we see that we have a list of products. And we'd like to know if we have any order quantities over or equal to 10. So we'll label this column over or equal to 10. Let's widen that column a little, and let's put our if-then statement in cell F2. Equal if, which is our function, and now we're ready to start our function, and it asks where are we making this logical test. We'll look in cell E2, and the test is if it's equal to or greater than, and usually it's greater than or equal to, either way would work. If it is greater than or equal to 10, then put yes, and if not, put no, and end with our right parentheses and select enter. And it says yes, this is over 10. And now we can drag our formula down and see that it worked just right. But what if what we're looking at is a date? Let's go back to sheet 1. An if-then statement is a little bit different if you're working with dates. In this case, we want to know if they are active or not. And we've decided that anybody active, it was active after January 1st, 2021. So let's start our equal then statement. Equal if, and we're looking at the logical test here in column R, and if it is less than 01/01/2021, then inactive, and if not, they're active. And we'll close our parentheses. Now it looks like this should work, but let's see what happens. It marked everybody active. And the reason is, when we look at the formula, Excel is assuming that these slash marks are because we're trying to divide 1 divided by 1 divided by 2021. We have to tell Excel that we're working with a date value function. So we put in the word date value, and now we're going to surround 2021 with quotation marks. But beside the quotation marks, we also have to surround the date value portion of the function. So after the word date value, we want to put a left parentheses, and then after the 2021 quotation, we'll put a right parentheses because it needs to do something with this date. And now when we select enter, we see that it correctly went down through our column and marked the right ones, active or inactive. Now save your file, upload it to the assignment box, and save your work for later. We will continue on with this worksheet in the next module.